guys, I have made a fathead pizza dough and we are going to make some breakfast pizza out of it. I've preheated my oven to 425 and I've put parchment paper onto a big cookie pan and I'm going to spread my dough out on it first thing. Okay, I've spread the dough out. It's important that you get your hands wet. I'm gonna put a link down below in the description box to how to make this dough. And I also have another video where I go in depth on how to make this. I'm going to pop this in at 425 for 8 minutes. And while that's cooking, I'm going to get my toppings ready for it, our breakfast toppings. I've been doing this for about 4 months and really need some variety. So we're going to try something different. Okay, here's my ingredients I'm going to put on it. Just a small amount of ham. And then this Hormel pepperoni original. I like this because the fat is way higher than the protein. So it's a 14:5 ratio. I'm going to use black olives, green olives, again to bump up my fat. There's no carbs in these. And some mushrooms, which do have carbs. And then I'm going to scramble some eggs. First, probably for that size crust, maybe 6 eggs. And then I'm also going to shred up some cheddar cheese. So I'll show you as we go along. But that's my ingredients so far. Okay, here's my scrambled eggs. I scrambled 6 eggs, but I don't know if you can tell, but they're cooked very soft. They're still kind of runny because I don't want to overcook them in the oven when they're on top of the crust. Okay, here's our crust out of the oven. I cooked it for about 12 minutes. I cooked it a little bit longer. And now we're going to add our toppings. We're going to put the eggs on first. Okay, so here's the egg on the crust, and that was a pretty good ratio. So I did 6 scrambled eggs. Okay, so far I've chopped up green olives and mushrooms. I know there's carbs in mushrooms, but I love mushrooms. And now I'm going to add black olives. Okay, there's our black olives. And so I think, yeah, that's everything I'm going to put on it. Now I think I'm going to put some banana peppers. Then I'm going to put a layer of cheese and then the pepperoni on top. I'm going to leave off the ham because there's carbs in that. I'm pretty sure there is in this brand of ham. Constantly be reading your labels. There's other banana peppers that have carbs in them, but this Vlasic brand that I bought does not have any carbs in them. There's my banana peppers. There's my cheddar cheese. You could at this point add some salsa, but I'm trying to cut back on my carbs here. You could add some salsa and some sour cream at the end, but this has got a lot of good stuff in it. And there we have the pepperoni. So now we're going to put it back in the oven until everything's melted. You can also switch it to broil, but just watch it really closely to kind of finish it up. Okay guys, here you have it, a breakfast pizza. I did flip it over to broil and it looks delicious. And I'm going to cut this up into small pieces. I'm not going to eat a ton of it at once, but it's going to be great to grab and go for breakfast on my way to work, or I try and fast, so maybe eat it around noon. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more recipes like this.